Welcome to DrewTech Hub. If you're new here, special welcome. Today, we will be exploring Spaces on the Webex app. So, Spaces is a feature on the Webex app where you can collaborate with other people, whether on your professional or on your personal life, so that you can send files, message each other. You could create meetings as well. And not only for a collaboration with other people, you could also make your own space, just you in it, where you could send yourself some notes, some to-do lists, some files that you want to keep. But right now we'll be exploring a professional and a personal space. So whether it's a professional or a personal space, it's always going to be showing the messages panel as a default. At the very bottom, you would see write a message to insert the name of your space. So this is a great feature where you can directly identify which space that you are going to be messaging to. So you won't be confused if it's going to be a personal space, if it's going to be a space in a team. So you won't have to send any information that you don't need to. So you could just type in your message and it's going to show for everyone in the space. You can add in your attachments by pressing the paperclip button on the bottom hand corner, and it's going to show a pop-up where you could attach your files to. Screen capture allows the Webex app to capture your screen via video or a screenshot, and it's going to upload it to your space. Format text will show you options to change the font size and the font style of your message. It's also going to allow you to make bulleted or numbered lists. Pressing the smiley face on the message bar will show you the emojis that you can insert onto your message, and you could also add GIFs on your spaces. Bitmojis are also one way you can add or format your message or customize the message that you want on your space. You can mention anyone on the space if you would want, or you could just press at all and you can mention everyone in the space. If you want to mention anyone in specific, you just press at and then their name. You can set personal room invites, or you could schedule meetings or make an instant meeting with the people on your space. And vidcasts are videos that you can record. Let's say if you want to make a tutorial or if you have something to tell people, you have an announcement, you can record a vidcast and it's going to be sending the file for the vidcast right after here on the messaging board. If you want to add people on your spaces, you could just press the people panel, add people, and just type in their name, their number, or their email on the Webex app. The content panel is going to show all of the files, the links, and whiteboards that you have created within your space. Meetings will be showing all of the scheduled or upcoming meetings. If you press the calendar button, you could also schedule a meeting right here. And when you press meeting recap, it's going to show all of the recaps, all of the meetings that you have had within that space. If you press apps, it's going to be showing you all of the apps that you can add to your space. I personally like the apps that they have games with. So you could have a sketchboard, you could have a game, or if it's on a personal or on a professional space, you could also add any apps that you are already using within your workspace into your team space. You can also add websites on here. So just edit the name of the shortcut and then type in the website address and press continue. Now that's it. That's an overview of a space on WebEx.